This tortellini Instapot soup is so delicious and it only has a cook time of 1 minute. Keep watching. First, chop up all your vegetables. I actually played it really safe and easy this time and I only chopped up some baby carrots, but also celery and onions would be delicious in here. Press saute on your Instapot and add some vegetable oil. Add your fresh vegetables. So I just did carrots, but then again, you could do onion would be really good, or you can do celery too. Add 4 cloves of garlic, or that would be 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. And you're only going to want to saute this for about 30 seconds, otherwise it burns and it is not delightful. Okay, here I add a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes to the Instapot that is still on saute. So here you can see me adding 3 cups of stock. I used chicken, but if you want this to be a vegetarian dish, then you can do vegetable stock. But the chicken was good too, so I did 3 cups this time, but I think next time I will do 4 cups because the broth was a little lower than I would like, so I would actually suggest 4 cups of broth. Seasonings. I added Italian seasonings, so I did a half a teaspoon of parsley, half a teaspoon of oregano, and you can do half a teaspoon of thyme as well. Don't forget salt and pepper as well, about a half a teaspoon of both. Now I am adding in my 3 cheese tortellini. Okay, now put on your lid, set the vent to sealing, put it on manual high for 1 minute. Okay, so let it naturally release for between 5 and 10 minutes and then just let it all out. Okay, this is the product right after cooking, and then we're going to add one more ingredient. Okay, this is a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. It gives the soup a nice creamy texture that really goes well with the cheese tortellini. Warm that heavy whipping cream up into your soup. Put it on saute for a minute too if you need. Here comes Erin to sniff. Thanks so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. So delicious.